How to get PayPal money off hold quite instantly. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up the transaction that is currently being on hold. So just click on it. After that, you will find this option of add tracking info. Just click on it. And if you find the option to select it as a service or other than the product, then you would be able to tell PayPal that it was not a product that is being sent. That way you would be able to receive the payment quite fast, and also tell your client that they also confirm that they have received your services. And in case if it is a product, then simply select it shipped, and after that select this option of tracking info not required and then submit it. After that, an option will appear in your client's account, and if they confirm it that they have received the services or your product, after that you will be able to receive your money quite instantly. And this is how you do it. Since I have already confirmed it, that's why this error. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.